Hi guys! Happy Friday! And I'm starting the vlog very early again. My daughter Marcella just left to school and I'm already working here with my small business. If you guys don't know, I have a small business where I sell made-to-order Filipino sweets, breads, and pies. So right now, I'm packing the 5 cheese pie. So when I buy the box, I just have to assemble. So this is actually for the chicken pie because it's big. This is the 5 cheese pie. So you can see beautiful crust. Perfect. That was a bit challenging. We cover it this. Before I properly close, let me show you guys. This is the pie, and this side it broke. There. So that's the pie. And that's the pie. So guys, dumating na yung in-order kong mga plastic bottles para sa aking new business na oat milk. So 50 pieces tong in-order ko kasi mas madami yung bilihin mo, mas mura. So pinili ko na yung 50 pieces. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ganda. Kasi ito yung mga takip niya. Kapag tinakpan siya, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Super cute. Kulay black yung pinili kong takip. Eh, nagbabacuum ako kanina. Hininto ko muna. Buti narinig ko yung delivery. So, kailangan lang niya ng sticker dyan. Oh, ganda. Bongga. It's now 9:10 in the morning and I'm just gonna put some stickers in the orders because branding is very important. So I have two kinds. I have this one and I have this one. We have here 40 pieces of chocolate crinkles, which I'm gonna put this sticker. And then our marshmallow cake o yung ating braso de Mercedes. Ito naman pahaba. And for the 5 cheese pie, I'm gonna choose this big one to be visible. Yeah. There you go. Braso, crinkles, and pie. This one I'm gonna give to my sister. She asked for a little bit of sweets from me, so I made some carrot cake there and 2 slices of braso de Mercedes. We already delivered the orders. I couldn't vlog because I was live on my YouTube channel. If you guys wanna see, go ahead to my YouTube channel and see there while we drive. Now we are going home and probably go to a supermarket because I need to buy some stuffs for tomorrow to meet the girls. Tomorrow there's gonna be a small gathering at home with the nice. So yeah. Stop by here at Carrefour to buy some fish. So what did you buy?
Salmon. Salmon, guys.
Ano pa?
Galunggong, guys.
Galunggong.
Nakabili din kami sa wakas.
Ipaksiw at saka may gata. Gata, masarap.
May tambakol sana, guys. Tapos,
ayaw mo ba ng tambakol, ha?
parang ang dami na to. 2 kilo to.
O, tsaka nabalik na yan tayo.
Tapos, may ulo pa ako ng salmon.
Okay.
Huwag natin sabayin mo na, guys, diba?
Pakita ko sa inyo guys mga isda. Sis Vanessa, I told her there's tilapia here, so she bought one. That's the price, oh. 200 pesos per kilo. Ito, hindi ko kalala. And yung galunggong Gigi, very cheap, oh. 8.90 or 90 pesos per kilo. Presko naman eh, oh. Hindi pa pula ang mata.
Oh, matang ano, yung isdang...
Ito naman pang sardinas. Magkano to? 9.
9 lang.
Mas mura pa yung galunggong. And the salmon that we bought, it's 600 per kilo. Kasi hindi siya naka-fillet. Pero pag naka-fillet, ano, oh, 90, 80 ba yan?
80.
Oo, 80.
89 ang ano.
80. So, binipili na lang namin yung di naka-fillet kasi nililinis din naman nila.
Oo.
Gets. And, yan, meron palang ano dito, tambakol. So, sumunod ko brigada mo. So, tambakol, oh, 150 ang kilo.
Dubli mo naman, no? Plastic ayun.
Ito yung ano ni Vanessa. Pakit
Ayun,
namin
ayun.
presyo, ma.
Oh. Ayan ang presyo niya.
Oh, 1946. So, 200 na din isang tilapia. Eh, malaki kasi yan.
Lampas ang kilo. Ay, 1 kilo yata.
1 kilo kasi 19 ang kilo.
Kasi ang tilapia dito.
Oh, tara.
Tara guys. May hipo tayo nung minakita.
Oh, yung hipon. 470.
Frozen hipon.
Yan ang mga frozen. Farming.
Hello guys, papunta kami dun sa kay Celine.
Punta kami sa
School ni Marceline. Susundo kasi nag-waiting na siya doon. Kanina pa daw siya doon. Siyempre guys, namili pa kami ng aming pang-ulam, isda. Miss na namin isda guys. Minsan lang naman kami mag-isda dahil alam mo na. Pero na-miss ko kasi kahapon pa ako na ano sa isda. Kaya sabi ko, daan tayo ng Carrefour para mamili ng isda. O ngayon naman, ang kapal ng binili namin isda. Di ba? 2 kilong galunggong. Talagang ano, pinakyaw. Tapos kalahating buo ng salmon. Magsa-salmon daw kami kahit mahal, okay lang. Tirahin namin yung salmon na yan.
dito na tayo kay Maria. Tignan natin kung makaliko tayo. O hindi. Hindi ko alam guys kung anong desisyon kong dadaanan. Kasi ang gulo. Sakto.
Sige na.
Oh, ito na yung school nila guys.
Bahala ka kung anong desisyon mo.
Dadaanan na namin ng school eh. Oh, tingnan niya. Baka ma-traffic dyan.
Yung school na pang grade 1 guys. So, tukutok ko sa inyo. Pang grade 1. Ayan. Onimore. Ayan. Ayan. Onimore. Ngayon, papunta kami doon sa pang high school.
We are back home from delivering and doing some groceries. So I'm gonna do a quick haul. We bought some mangoes again because the ones that I bought the other day, they were so hard until today. So I bought some ripe ones. I'm gonna make mango sagu for tomorrow. We got some eggplant. I stopped at the Japanese store and I got lumpia, mushrooms for our japchae tomorrow. Celine's lunch, lumpia wrapper. This is Vanessa's tilapia. Galunggong, 2 kilos. We were supposed to give this to my sister. We forgot. It's here. Now she's sad.
At saka guys, salmon, 2 kilos to. O, diba? Ilang araw din namin to lapangin. Pero ulam namin ngayon guys. Salmon.
I also got juices for my daughter to take to school. This is orange juice with soy milk. It's what she likes. Squash. More kamote. Steam the kamote. Steamed, not boiled. We also got this bread with coconut, spinach, 2 cans of corn. We're gonna make ginataang mais next week, and bread. Now we're gonna prepare our lunch. This is our lunch. Salmon with capers. Just like Easter Sunday lunch. Gotta put a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. Put butter. And then we wrap it. Let's bake. And si mother naghugas ng isda.
Lalaki guys, tapos 6 yung 1 kilo. Di pa sila lugi?
Kasi malalaki siya, oh. Ang dami. Ang dami na yung binili, 2 kilo. Sobra pa. So, ang kinalabasan, 2 kilo at kalahati.
Ang tawag nila dito guys, kabalis.
Kabalin niya.
Kabalin niya. Ang tawag nila sa malalaking balong.
Oh, presko pa, oh, mata niya. Hindi lang sila naglilinis doon. Our fish is cleaned, cut, and separated into 1 dish per pack. So this is 1 meal, this is another meal, 4 meals. Oh, di ba bongga? Now we freeze it. Salmon is ready, guys. Look, juicy.
So yummy. Let's eat, guys. Lunch.
This is, ano to? Ikaw magsabi.
This is tinola, guys, na galunggong. Oh, with spinach.
Hindi makita yung isda niya nasa ilalim, guys.
Kain, guys.
Siyempre, isda lumalangoy.
Nasa ibabaw, guys, yung spinach. Panghapunan ko to, guys. Hindi ko pang lunch. Kasi aalis kami. May volleyball yung apo ko. Ngayon, pag uwi ko, may luto na akong ulam. Diba? Ready to eat.
On our way to watch Marcella's game with the gang. Pagod kami, guys.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two.
We are here, guys, at Marcella's School. I'm gonna show you. Marcella is number 45. They're gonna play against that one wearing white.
Here with her. At least, hindi ka hirap mag-tingin sa score. Ayun na. Diba?
Let's go, malab. Sana manalo sila. Oh, maingay ko pagka naka-point si Gato. We are on our way home, guys, but we stopped here at the bakery to buy some bread. George and Marcella went to buy.
Panalo si Erica, guys. Congrats, Marcella.
Anong oras na ba, ma'am?
8:32.
8:32 in the evening, and we still have to do mango sagu and more oat milk because I have orders for tomorrow. Oh, ano na? Preparing our mango sagu.
Ito na, guys. Oh, kapal.
And Celine is helping me here preparing the brownies. I took a long time because I made a lot of oat milk for tomorrow. I didn't put the sticker here yet. So for anyone who wants oat milk, order now at Honey Sweets. There is my number and Instagram. So guys, I just finished some of the things that I have to do, and I'm gonna continue tomorrow morning. But now I'm exhausted and I need to rest. I need to sleep. As you can see, I'm so tired. Tomorrow the girls are gonna be here. The Pinays are gonna be here, so I'm gonna have to wake up early. But for now, I'm gonna end our vlog. Before that, let me show you the time. Our time check is 11:55 in the evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Bye guys. Mwah. Night. Good night.